AcreValue parcel reports give you instant access to detailed property insights, perfect for analysis, presentations, and sharing with your team or clients. Section 1. Generating the parcel report. To generate a report, click Any Parcel. This opens the parcel card and adds the property to your report queue in the top right corner. Then click Get Full Report to launch the interactive digital parcel report. Section 2. Navigating the digital parcel report. The report is organized by topic: valuation, comps, soils, crop history, ownership, and more. In valuation, you'll find AcreValue's per acre estimate, county averages, total value, land use types, and productivity scores. Section 3. Deeper Insights. Scroll through the report to view crop rotation history, soil productivity, FEMA flood hazard zones, conservation easements, and physical attributes, all updated quarterly and ready to use. Section 4. Customize, download, or share your report. When you're ready to finalize your report, click Download from the top right corner of the report view. You'll be prompted to configure which sections to include in your report: valuation, sale comps, crop history, flood risk, ownership, and more. After clicking Continue, you'll see the option to edit or upload your custom report logo. This ensures your brand appears directly on the PDF and any shared digital version. From here, you can download a polished PDF, print it, or share a secure link via email, all with your branding built in. With AcreValue's custom-branded parcel reports, you can deliver professional, shareable insights with just a few clicks.